All right, what's up guys? I was waiting until this actually went through to do the update, but we're here now. We're starting the track prep. Right now it's all covered in snow. You'll see that the cross car is right now stuck in some snow, but we're gonna go ahead and take today to clean up all the brush and you know, get a little path worked out. So I'm gonna take you back there, show you what it looks like. So we've got the straight out speed runway right here, and this goes for, I don't know, at least a quarter mile. We've got all this space over here to make some loops back and forth. We've got the start of a berm right here. And then we're gonna head back into our kind of like grind hard feel. I don't know what to call it. That's what it feels like though. You see it got a little deep back here. The cart's just waiting to be rescued. We've got big 25-inch tires on it right now, but being two-wheel drive back here in the snow still didn't help. All right, now we're gonna get out here, get a lot of these limbs out of the way, and I'll show you a little time lapse, and then I'll take you the rest of the way around this property. It loops all the way back around to that big open area I started at. It's fucking awesome. This guy treats his stuff like it owes him money. That is about a 200-pound branch, maybe 3, maybe 4. And that didn't help. We're gonna have to cut it. All right, we got something cleared out just enough, so I'm gonna go for a little test rip. I've already went for a couple. You'll see.
don't know if I can do it with boots on.
All right, so you've seen it. That's gonna do it. That's the track. There's a lot of potential there. Not very good driving because it was still soaked and freezing and what is that called? Snow. We're soaking wet right now, but Funky has got some new pants on. He found a shirt in the back of his truck that is now pants. You look like Justin Bieber, man.
It's warm,
like
though.
MC Hammer. You gotta do, let me see that. It's tricky. There it is. Okay, I think we gotta go home now. You guys know what to do. Keep coming back. Thanks.